Hello friends, in this chapter, we will trace the following letters, E, F, G, and H. Letter E, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lowercase letter. 1, 2. Letter F, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter. 1, 2, 3. Lowercase letter. 1, 2. Letter G, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter. 1, 2. Lowercase letter. 1, 2. Letter H, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase letter. 1, 2, 3. Lowercase letter. 1, 2. Good job! If you like our videos, and you want to continue to strengthen your knowledge, you can join the subscribe to our channel.